There's many different tools in the makerspace. We're going to be mainly focusing on the cutting tool. When cutting wood, you want to remember to stabilize the wood with a clamp, because when you're cutting, you don't want the wood to move because your arm could be in the way.
Whether you are cutting or not, you need to wear safety glasses. You might not be doing anything harmful, but people around you will be. So when you walk in the room, make sure you put your safety glasses on. When you are done using the tools, you need to remember to put them back, especially with the cutting tools. If you leave them out, it could cause danger to somebody else.
Along with this, you need to follow all the other rules on the safety quiz.
In the makerspace, we have two different box cutters. The silver one, you just put your hand down and you go out like that. This one, you untwist it, and then you can just pull it out like that. And then make sure you always twist it back when you're done. When you're using these, you want to have a firm grip. You want to put your hand away from the blade, and you need to push down on it firmly so you have a good grasp of it at all times. When you're done, you always need to put the blade away so you don't hurt other people. Also, when you're done, you need to check to make sure that the blade is still sharp, because that can also injure you if it's not. You can use this tool with cardboard boxes, but make sure you have a wood or piece underneath so you don't indent the table. You can also use it for some laser cutting projects if it sticks and you need to finish cutting and if it doesn't go all the way through. And sometimes you can use it for 3D printing to help get the raft off if it's not coming off. Here's a hacksaw, and it is used to cut metal or PVC pipe. And it only cuts on the push, not the pull. And if you never want to do it on the pull because it'll wear the blade out. And you want to clamp your PVC pipe down and begin cutting.
Okay, this is the coping saw. You can use this saw to cut wood or softer plastics like PVC pipes. And you only want to cut the wood on a pulling stroke because all the blades are pointing backwards and you don't want to dull the blade. And that is very dangerous because the blade could slip and cut you. And you want to replace the blade when necessary.
This is the miter saw, and it goes with the miter's box, which is this yellow box, which has, you put the wood in right here. It has many different lines, so if you want to cut a perfectly straight cut, you can do that. Or if you want an angle, you can get an angle or even a bigger angle. And however you want the wood to cut, put it in the box and begin cutting back and forth. Until your wood's all the way cut through, and it's good for making the angles if you want specific things, so it's more precise than you just doing it by your hand.
This is a wood saw. You use this to cut wood and softer plastics like PVC pipes, and you cannot attempt to use this on metal or it'll wear out the blade. And this is not a push saw. It's a pull stroke only saw.
This is a circular saw, and wherever your cut line is, you want to put this little gap where that is, and then to turn it on, there's a switch right here and the safety's right here, and then you're going to put it on the line, and as you move it, you can also see your line through here and there, right where the blade's going, and you're going to hold it nice and firm while you finish making your cut.
This is the tools cabinet where we keep all our tools. We keep our box cutters over here by the mining box and all the saws up here on the wall. And this is where we keep our clamps. We got different size clamps. And the circular saw is down here in this bottom cabinet, right here in this DeWalt box.